Welcome back to the third day here in this week. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. You are the best. We are it's money makers. Make sure you go ahead and get your YouTube channel started. I'm not seeing a lot of emails from you guys, so it's really important that you go ahead and send me those emails because once that quota of 3 or 4 people turn in their YouTube assignment to me, that's it. I'm cutting it off. So if I don't hear from you by the end of November, then you won't be eligible for the cash giveaway of $125. But with that said, let's go ahead and get into ProMeet. ProMeet is another tool where creators can start monetizing faster than YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all that other stuff. It's basically a platform where you create content just like you would on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or Snapchat, and you can get monetized faster. So basically, it's a tool that enables you to seamlessly earn from your content just like you would on any other platform, but it's faster. And then you take your and you get your money directly from your audience. So it's really important that you build an audience in the community so you can get your money working for you and not having to wait for these long YouTube payouts or Instagram payouts and stuff like that. So it's really important that you do your due diligence to kind of understand a little bit about this. So you create your channel, you build your content to where your audience can access and pay for uploaded videos and streams. So basically, it's like a pay for content, like OnlyFans, except you're not doing illegal things or doing things that you wouldn't want anybody else to see. It's more on a global level, and you can make money as fast as if your audience like it. So they paying you for your content, and that can be any type of content. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And then you just need to upload your videos with ease, and then you can, host meetings and stream live content for money and charging your audience members. Uh, but you want to kind of like before start monetizing your content, you want to build up your audience and maybe give them something free, and just create a whole bunch of content. And then if they start liking it, then you build an audience. So you get up to 500 subscribers or 500 followers. After that, then you can start, monetizing your content. By what I mean by that is that you can start charging them, for the next 500 videos and stuff like that. So give them something free in the beginning to kind of entice them, say, "Oh, this content is really good," and then you can start charging it for the next 500 videos. That's at least what I would do if I was getting started. But that's really important. So you can go ahead and enter ProMeet, and they show you create your content here, your channel, and then this is where your money gets stored at. Obviously, my balance is zero because I never really worked with this platform before, but it's nice that that's there instead of having to wait on YouTube or Instagram to pay you. Once the money's in your account, then you can just go ahead and just withdraw. This is a platform that a lot of people probably don't know about. I might start making content and seeing how it goes. But let me know if this is something that you want to that you like to do. Money makers. Not gonna hold you up too long. I just wanted to say this is just another stream of ways of all the other possibilities to make money online, other than YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, all that. You can start making on Procreate. Let me know if this is something pro me. Let me know if this is something that you want to do. If you like it, comment, subscribe. If you have any bad experiences with it, let me know. If you know about it, if you didn't know about it, say I didn't know about this, but I'm interested into learning it more. And I might do a part two to this. It just depends on how many people get, how many views I get on this one. And if you want to know more about it, I might start making content myself, give you more updates about it. But I think this is another way to kind of monetize. You have to start learning how to have side money. You can't just depend on your 9 to 5, or responding or user. You need to monetize everywhere you can online to the max ability, to your maximum potential. I believe in you guys. I know you can do this. I know you can get to those 25 subscribers and 100 videos on your own YouTube channel. I believe in you guys. But other than that, take care, money makers, and email me if you have any questions. Bye bye.